Think your car is already fully upgraded? Think again. The latest car gadgets of 2026 are changing the way people drive, travel, and stay connected on the road. From smart safety tools to clever accessories that make every trip easier, these aren't just cool add-ons, they're game changers. Welcome to RevX, where we bring you the smartest tech and must-have gadgets worth your attention. If you spot something you like, you'll find all the links down in the description. Now, let's check out the car gadgets taking driving to the next level. If your car is constantly filled with charging cables, this gadget is about to change everything. This 4-in-1 retractable car charger powers up to 4 devices at the same time while keeping your interior clean and organized. Built-in retractable cables extend when you need them and disappear when you don't, eliminating cable clutter for good. With powerful fast-charging technology and multiple charging ports, it's ready for phones, tablets, and all your everyday devices. The adjustable design stays secure, even on rough roads, making it perfect for daily commutes, family trips, and long drives. More power, less mess, and no more fighting over the charger. This is the car accessory every driver should have. Your car's biggest problem might be the clutter. This center console organizer adds instant storage for your phone, keys, drinks, wallet, and more. Dual cup holders keep everything secure, while the padded armrest adds extra comfort on every drive. Durable, easy to clean, and designed to fit most vehicles. More storage, less mess, and a cleaner-looking interior in seconds. Once you install it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. What if you could wash, protect, and shine your vehicle in a single step? This nano-ceramic quick coat does exactly that. Just spray, wipe, and watch your paint transform with a deep, glossy finish that looks professionally detailed. Unlike ordinary waxes that sit on the surface, the advanced ceramic formula bonds directly to your paint, creating a slick, hydrophobic shield that repels water, dirt, and road grime for months. No rinsing, no buffing, no complicated detailing process. The entire application takes less than 10 minutes, and it's ready to go in about 15. Safe for paint, glass, chrome, plastic, and vinyl, it's the easiest way to keep any vehicle looking showroom fresh. This isn't just a car spray, it's a complete detailing upgrade in a bottle. A damaged side mirror isn't just annoying, it's a safety risk. This replacement mirror assembly is designed specifically for Honda CR-V models from 2017 to 2022, delivering a factory-style fit without the dealership price tag. It features power adjustment, integrated turn signals, blind spot detection compatibility, and a heated mirror option for clear visibility in any weather. Built with durable materials and tested for long-lasting performance, it's made to handle daily driving with confidence. Installation is straightforward, and the paint-ready black finish blends seamlessly with your vehicle. When it comes to restoring safety, visibility, and style, this upgrade checks every box.
Still squinting at your dashboard to check your speed? This GPS speedometer puts all your driving data right where you can see it. The large digital display shows your speed, direction, time, altitude, and trip information in real time, making every drive safer and more convenient. Built-in GPS technology delivers accurate speed readings without relying on your vehicle's factory gauges. And if you start driving too fast or stay on the road for too long, intelligent safety alerts remind you to slow down and take a break. The auto-adjusting display stays perfectly visible whether you're driving in bright sunlight or at night. Sleek, modern, and packed with useful features, it's the kind of upgrade that makes every drive feel smarter.
Your car's interior is about to look like something straight out of the future. These RGB fiber optic lights let you customize your cabin with over 16 million colors and dozens of dynamic lighting effects. Control everything from your phone or the included remote. Change colors, adjust brightness, create custom scenes, or schedule lighting automatically. And when the music starts, the built-in microphone syncs the lights to every beat, turning every drive into an immersive experience.
The flexible fiber optic strips can be shaped to fit almost any vehicle, while the plug-and-play design makes installation surprisingly simple. Whether you're cruising at night or showing off your ride, these lights bring a whole new level of style to your interior.
Still plugging in your iPhone every time you get in the car? Not anymore. This wireless CarPlay adapter instantly converts your wired Apple CarPlay into a completely wireless experience. Just plug it in once, complete a quick setup, and it automatically reconnects every time you start your car. Navigation, music, calls, messages, and Siri all work seamlessly without a single cable in sight. Powered by an upgraded smart chip, it delivers a fast and stable connection with minimal lag. Compact, sleek, and compatible with hundreds of CarPlay-enabled vehicles, it's the upgrade that makes every drive cleaner, smarter, and more convenient. Once you go wireless, there's no going back.
Think your car is clean? Think again. This Vortex cleaning gun blasts deep into carpets, upholstery, and tight spaces, pulling out dirt you never knew was there. Grease, dust, stains, it handles them all in seconds. Switch between wet and dry modes with a single flip. No extra tools, no wasted time, just professional-grade cleaning powered by compressed air. Less effort, better results, and a finish that looks showroom fresh. This isn't just cleaning, it's detailing on a whole new level. Want your car to feel more luxurious the second you open the door? These premium leather seat covers don't just protect your seats, they completely transform your interior. Made from soft, high-grade Napa leather, they're breathable, waterproof, and comfortable in every season. But the real game changer is the built-in LED lighting. Choose from multiple lighting modes, customize your favorite colors, or sync the lights to your music for a truly unique driving experience. The universal design fits most cars, trucks, and SUVs, while airbag-compatible construction keeps safety a top priority. Stylish, protective, and surprisingly easy to install, this is one upgrade your passengers will notice instantly.
Tired of parking too close or not close enough? This smart garage parking sensor uses ultrasonic technology to guide your vehicle into the perfect position every time. Green, yellow, and red lights tell you exactly when to stop. Easy to install, customizable, and powered by batteries or USB. No more guessing, no more garage mishaps.
Your side mirrors don't show everything, but these 360-degree blind spot mirrors expand your view and help eliminate dangerous blind spots when changing lanes or merging. With adjustable positioning, HD glass, and a simple stick-on installation, they're one of the easiest and smartest safety upgrades you can add to any vehicle.
Why buy a dash cam and a phone mount separately when one device can do both? This smart 2-in-1 gadget records every mile while keeping your phone secure and within easy view. The wide-angle camera captures crystal-clear footage day or night, helping protect you in case of accidents or unexpected road events. Built-in audio recording adds an extra layer of security, while the companion app makes it easy to review and download footage whenever you need it. And thanks to the dual mounting system, you can choose between magnetic or clip-on support for a rock-solid hold, even on rough roads. It's safety, convenience, and smart design, all packed into one compact device.